As we all know, AI and high-performance computing becomes the indispensable pillar behind this kind of computational approaches in chem and bioinformatics. And cloud has become a very popular place for tapping into the high-performance computing power because of the low cost of ownership, right? The high elasticity of compute, timely infrastructure upgrade, and the high data accessibility, availability, and security. However, doing HPC on cloud is a double-edged sword. Great benefits come with great challenges. So first of all, let's face it, cloud is very complex, actually. Managing and setting up cloud environment can be very time-consuming and distracting. As computational scientists and domain experts, you want to spend valuable time on science and innovation, right? And also, cloud can be really expensive to use for HPC if not done properly, and also not easy to scale. In the case of AWS, you can find more than 770 different instance type and sizes, and there's thousands of different infrastructure configuration choices you can have to deploy the same workload. Now, the question is, what is the best option, right? The cheapest and fastest option. Unfortunately, there's no transparency. Without a proper strategy, you can be very wasteful about the way to use cloud. And because of that, you can have very limited scalability and experience a high cost. And also, it's not easy to sustain whatever the configuration you have. It's not easy to sustain it because cloud keeps changing, right? Last year alone, there's more than 160 new instance type and size introduced on AWS. In theory, this is the beauty of cloud HPC because you get timely access to state-of-the-art hardware. But in practice, this is actually a quite big challenge because people don't keep track of these infrastructure upgrade, and there's no transparency in how this is going to impact their workload performance and cost, right? So as a result, we're seeing a very big gap and delay in their practical adoption of these great hardware. There's great hardware out there, but it's not easy for them to leverage them timely. So if you're facing similar challenges, you must be looking for a solution that can fundamentally change the way that you deploy or you run your computational workload or your bioinformatic pipelines. And what you're looking for is Fovus. Fovus is the world first, what we call the AI-powered serverless HPC platform that uses AI and data-driven approach to not only determine the optimal configuration and HPC strategy, but also intelligently orchestrate the entire cloud logistic so that you can finally say goodbye to all the cloud management headaches and hassles, focus on your innovation, but at the same time, be able to enjoy the optimality and efficiency benefits, which is assured by data-driven approach. Let me show you how does it work from the user perspective. So we provide a very intuitive command line and web interfaces. So it is super easy for you to launch your Nextflow pipeline or any batch workload essentially in a single command, CLI command, or just a few clicks on the web UI. No cloud setup, no cloud management, no configuration needed for instance type side and things like that, nothing. You just need to deploy your workload, as simple as that. And that's how it makes it super easy for you to scale and deploy and adopt the solution. And also, we automatically benchmark your pipeline or your workload to effectively explore your HPC strategy space. And the strategy includes your storage, memory configuration, networking configuration, compute choices, as well as parallel computing setting. Essentially, everything that matters to the performance and cost for running your workload, we benchmark them and understand what matters. And the best part is that this benchmarking is automated and free service. So we bear the cost, you enjoy the benefits. And based on the benchmarking data, then our system will automatically determine what is the optimal configuration HPC strategy for deploying each process within your bioinformatic pipeline or your HPC workload to minimize your time and cost. And this optimization is done in real time, subject to the availability and pricing dynamics in the cloud, as well as user objective, so that you can get a different optimal strategy for your timing critical versus cost sensitive workload. And in case that you face limited availability and scalability challenge for high demanding resources like GPU or spot instances, we help you address that by automatically distribute your workload across a hybrid list of strategies to effectively scale up the availability and size up your compute fleet. And the best part is that this strategy list is constructed and automated by data-driven approach. So we automatically make predictions and come up with what is optimal, second optimal, third optimal, and that could look different for each of your pipeline process and configuration and workload, right? So you don't have to manually manage your AWS batch environment or P cluster environment for that. And of course, we also automatically leverage spot instances to further cut down your cloud expenses. But also, when spot interruption happen, we make sure that you can resume computation by restoring from the last saved checkpoints without needing to restart a computation from scratch. And you may ask, oh, what if my pipeline processes doesn't actually support checkpointing? Most pipeline process doesn't. No worries. So we provide a automatic memory checkpointing feature that actually perform checkpoints the application status at a container level automatically. So you don't have to change your code, but we can make sure each process within your pipeline will be able to resume, right, the computation when spot interruption happens or out of memory error happens. And also, we automatically upgrade your HPC strategy. Whenever AWS roll out new infrastructure, we understand how it works with your workload, right? And if it's cheaper and faster to run your workload, we automatically upgrade them without you needing to change your workflow or your code to make sure you can stay ahead of the game. So very quickly, I wanted to show you how does the real world impact look like. So I have a couple of case studies. Given the limited time, I'll focus more on the result and impact side, right? So this is a case study where the customer was actually running molecular dynamics simulation that requires the GPU to accelerate, and they're running a very large batch of them. So ideally, they need a large number of GPU, but they were previously facing challenges of finding the right GPU configuration and also not able to find enough GPUs to run this workload in parallel. So overall, it would have taken them about 4 weeks in order to complete the entire computation for a large batch for screening purposes. But at the same time, it would cost them more than $5,000 to do that. And they would have to do this repeatedly. It become very expensive. Now, with our solution, of course, we benchmark the workload. We automatically figure out what should be the right GPU configuration, GPU choices, right size them, and also configure the parallel computing setting properly. And then beyond that, massively parallelize it across multiple AWS regions to have a large number of GPUs running in parallel. And better than all of that, most of these are actually spot GPUs that we can find somewhere that is idle, so that you can have a significant discount. So overall, with the combination of these optimization, I would like to have you take a quick guess on how much improvement we can make in terms of reducing the runtime and cost at the same time. I'll give you 3 seconds, take your guess, and I'll show you the answer. Okay, ready? So we were able to reduce their workload runtime from 4 weeks to 6 hours, more than 100 times reduction, faster time to insight, at the same time cutting down 85% of their overall cloud expenses throughout the combination of these optimization. And I think this is a great example showing that if you're running large scale workload with in the cloud, but without proper optimization, how wasteful, right, you could be with your cloud usage. And this is another example. This is a 500 million ligand screening use cases. Again, similar challenges, right? Configuration challenge, scalability challenge. So, but with a combination of these approaches, we're able to help the customer reduce their workload runtime from days to just hours at a workload level, but at the same time, cutting down their cloud expenses by 5 to 8 times. Again, a significant reduction, right? By eliminating the wasteful usage through data-driven approach, data-driven optimization. Now, this might be a more interesting use cases. This is the NF core RNA sequencing, which is one of the most commonly used bioinformatics pipelines. So what I'm showing you on the left is the major processes within this pipeline that contributes to the time and cost, right? To 90%, over 90% of the time and cost here. And as you can see, this process has very different characteristics. Some of them are compute bounded, some are memory bounded, some are IO bounded, and some of them are actually a combination of those things, right? So what this indicates is that in order to be time and cost efficient, you actually would require very different configuration in your hardware setting, in your cluster setting, for each of these processes to run with different configuration in order to be efficient. But most of the time, again, there's no transparency. We see customers don't do that, right? Most of the time, we're seeing people running solution, right, with either AWS Batch or some of the existing solution like Fusion or MM Cloud, either without a careful optimization or with a fixed type of optimization applied to the entire pipeline, regardless of what you're running, right? So as a result, yes, so you can reduce some of the costs by applying those non-data-driven optimization, but is it optimal? Not really, right? So we're still talking about a cost for running 8 samples of 100 million per rate input for each sample at the AWS at the cloud cost between $44 to $97. But now with data-driven application, with data-driven optimization, Fovus would build a dedicated configuration, right, for each of these processes to make sure everything is being optimized. And that is going to bring down your cloud expenses by 70 to 85%, right, down to $14. Now, if you're going to enable the leverage spot instances, that's going to further reduce the cost to $5, which is another 3 times reduction, significant reduction. And very similar story for the NF Core Sarek pipeline for whole genome sequencing. Now, in this case, this is even more complex pipeline with more complex processes that requires even more careful optimization. Now, without data-driven optimizations, very similar story. And what's interesting thing here we see here is that by doing data-driven optimization, not only we can reduce the costs by 50 to 65%, improve the cost efficiency by 2 to 3 times, but at the same time, we can actually reduce the overall runtime by 3 times. You can actually run your pipelines 3 times faster at the same time, right? Run 2 or 3 times more of the workload using the same budget. So just a quick summary of the overall value that we provide. We help you save both time and cost, right? On the time side, we not only help you reduce your workload runtime, right? Help you get your insights over 100 times faster for those large-scale workload. But at the same time, we're helping you to save your engineering time. You no longer need to spend time, manage, set up your AWS batch environment or a cloud environment, right? So those time now can be spent with more important tasks. But at the same time, we're helping you improve your cost efficiency for running your bioinformatics pipelines or drug discovery workload by another 4 to 10 times, depending on what workloads you're talking about, right? So imagine what now you can do if you can free up, right, your time and get your insight 100 times faster, but at the same time, running more than 5 times more workload, doing more exploration in drug discovery for the same type of budget, for the same amount of budget. So I hope that provides a great overview about our platform features and case study and the real world impact. Our booth is at B608, right across the Tesla booth. So if you're interested in trying out our platform, we're actually offering a free trial right now. So come to our booth. We'll make sure that we'll get your questions answered by expert. Thank you for your attention.